Going to my favorite cafe to have a nice cappuccino is one of the things I'm missing the most during the quarantine. So now my only option to have a delicious Italian cappuccino is to try to make one at home. Let's try, using just few basic kitchen tools. In Italy, the most traditional way to make coffee is to use this cool steampunk-looking gadget called the Moka. It looks dirty because you are not allowed to wash the mocha with the soap, otherwise your coffee will taste like total crap. First, put the water inside the bottom part. Not too much, just below the safety valve. For the coffee, I use a 100% Arabic blend. You can use any flavor or any blend of coffee that you like, but be sure it's suitable for the Moka coffee machine. Insert the coffee into the filter. Don't press the coffee, just adjust the border with a spoon. Now put the filter back on top of the other part. Clean the edges and close it up the whole machine very well. Very well. Now it's ready to go on the stove. Set the flame at the minimum and remember to keep the cover closed the whole time. Meanwhile, put the milk on the stove to heat for our cappuccino. After a few minutes, you'll see the coffee coming out from the top. And when you hear a noise like that is the signal, the coffee is ready, so turn off the flame immediately. A cappuccino is no cappuccino without a nice foam. To create the best foam, I found two different tools in my house. The first is a technological vibrating milk frother, which I picked up at IKEA for less than €2. And the second is a more classic European thing, a French press. It's originally made for tea infusion, but I think we can also use it as a foam maker. Let's try first the electric frother. I've honestly never used it before. As you can see, I put too much milk, and of course I'm messing up. Okay, 2 minutes of a vibrating fan, I think that's enough. So now let's make our cappuccino. First, put the cafe into a cup. If you want to look professional, top the milk on the table, like this. Pour the milk into the cup with the coffee. Use a milk pot without the cover, or all the foam will get trapped inside. Tada! Il cappuccino è servito! So, the look is professional, but what about the quality? There's only one test I can run to test the foam. The mustache test. The cappuccino is good, but the foam disappears immediately in the mouth. Let's try now the second method. Put the hot milk directly inside the French press. Then the game is easy, just play with it. 1 minute of pure fun is enough to give us a nice foam. It looks really solid, so I'm going to stir the milk a bit, in such a way the foam can get out. Voila! When two countries cooperate, the result is an amazing cappuccino. Will the mustache test confirm the appearance? In this case, the foam continues to remain compact. Also sticks more on the lips, as you can see. Okay, at the end both tools were able to give us a good homemade cappuccino. But if I had to pick a winner, my favorite is definitely the French press. The foam was good and it blended in a better way with the coffee. It reminded me most of the cafe experience. So guys, as the Italian that I am, I can talk with my hands and tell you that this is my first video, and statistically the first video is the one that you are going to be embarrassed about for the rest of your life. But if you enjoyed the video even just a bit, click like down below. See you next time, ciao!